Rupa Goswami Pad gives an example here. In verse 81, Chandravali is speaking to Padma. So Chandravali, the anti-party, the rival of Radharani, she's waiting to meet Krishna in her kunja, Chandravali's kunj, Gauri kunj, Gauri Tirtha. Krishna's delayed, she becomes anxious and eager, feeling some anxiety, and vira utkantita, nayaka. So she confides in her dearest Padma Sakhi, is it possible for Krishna to remain any longer without thinking of my sweetness? Doesn't he remember me? Oh, what misfortune. This is Vishwanath's Tika. Actually, the verse is saying, verse 81 of chapter 5, Sakhi kim abhavad bhararadha kataksha gunerayam samaram kim parabdam suraribir udurai ahaha bahulashtamyam prachimuke utirite vido vidumuki nayan mam sasmara vrajeshwara nandanandan. In translation of this verse 81, giving the example of the Viraha Utkantita or the Utkantita Nayaka. Chandravali says, O Sakhi Padma, is Krishna now bound by the ropes of Radharani's sidelong glances? Bada Radha Kataksha Gunera. Bada Radha Kataksha Guna. Guna means ropes. The three gunas were tied and bound. Bada Guna, Bada Trigun. So Radharani, Krishna is also bound. We are bound by this material energy, Maya, Sattva, Raja, Tama. Ignorance, goodness, sometimes we're in goodness, sometimes we're passionate, sometimes we're lazy, lethargic, and ignorant, indolent, tamogun. So this is being Maya Guna Bada, the Bada Jiva, the bound, Bada Jiva, the living entities bound in illusion in this material world. Krishna, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, in the alokik realm, the transcendental world of Brajadam, Krishna is also bound, but he's not bound by the ropes of illusion or Mahamaya. He's bound by the ropes of Radharani's sidelong glances, for which all the mandris are praying every day that Radharani will bestow just a slight merciful glance from the corner of her eyes. Kripa Kataksha Bhajanam. Kada Karishyasiyamam Kripa Kataksha Bhajanam. Kada, the mandris are praying, the sadhaka mandris are praying. Kada. When, O Radharani, when? When will you cast a sidelong glance? Kripa Kataksha Bhajanam. Kripa Kataksha Bhajanam. When will you cast a sidelong glance of mercy upon me? So Krishna is also bound by the Radha Kataksha. Aksha means eye and Kata means corner. Krishna Bado Radha Kataksha Gune. Very nice phrase for Manjaris and Manjaris sadhakas to meditate on, how our Swamini, our Ishri Radharani, Srimati Radharani, she's so powerful, she's Parameshwari. For the Manjaris, she's Ishwari. For Krishna, she's Parameshwari. This is an example of how Radharani captures, controls, and binds Krishna with her loving glances, not even a full glance, just the corners of her eyes. Krishna Bhado Radha Kataksha Guner.